Some guys call it a quick square. I've always known it as a quick square. Make my straight line there. Come back over. Make my line there. Now, this is the kind of cool thing that I like to use this for. This is called a guide, or clamp and cut edge guide. So it's got places where you just pinch it and you can move it. I'm going to go ahead and move it all the way out. Also, I'm going to square it with this here at the other end just to make sure I'm still on point there. Now I've got it raised up a little bit and it probably won't stick. Just see if it does. Okay. Let me flip it over. We'll just use a little what we call southern ingenuity. The way to overcome that is to do the same thing down here where I can get my point of reference. So I'm going to do 24 1/4 here. Use this as my point of reference. There we go. Put the two lines together. Sometimes you can use this on a table and it will work when it's elevated. I'm not there, so I'm just going to line this up completely on this one edge, and now I got my square. So now what we're going to do is just go ahead and cut this out, and then we'll get to the next stage. So what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and make my straight cut all the way from one end to the next, and I'll show you why here in a second. Because if I score this on the finished side, I can pop this, and so I don't have to make a lot of cutouts. So just lift it up like so, hit it from behind, back, edge of this. What I'll do is start at the bottom, cut right into the crease,